was just wondering if anybody else will make a list just so they can cross stuff off of it, or is that just me? Here's what I've been able to cross off our list.
I wanted to tell y'all about the lights that we installed in our kitchen real quick. It comes with a template so you can mark the holes where you want to install them. There's a really easy pop-off panel where you can really easily install the wiring because they have quick connects instead of wing nuts, which just makes wiring it super fast and super easy. It has a rubber seal so air won't come out of your ceiling space. It has these spring-loaded mounts, which you just pull these back and place it up into the ceiling, and it holds itself in place without you having to screw it into your rafters. I love the fact that it's really low profile, so it's not this big cumbersome can. It also has this really great feature where you can choose your color temperature. In our kitchen, we chose 3000K. We really love the way the 3000K looked against the white, but it's really great because it's LED, there's no bulb to change, it uses less power than a conventional bulb, and honestly, I can't recommend this light fixture highly enough. If you need something like this for your own project, I'll go ahead and put the link in the description below.
Alright y'all, so today the cabinet maker is coming out to our house to measure the kitchen and talk about design, and I'm really excited to be working with M&M Millworks. My husband and I had been following their Facebook page for a while and just loving all the work that they had posted on their Facebook page, and so we're really excited to be working with them. So I have just been trying to get ready. I've got my graph paper out with my design ideas, and hopefully I haven't forgotten anything, so we'll see how it goes today.